Good morning, everyone. We are on module 4th of chapter 2, acids, bases and salt. Today we will learn about reaction of metallic oxides with acids. Metallic oxides react with acids to give salts and water. Metallic oxides are said to be basic oxides. Non-metal oxides react with bases and similarly formed salt and water, but non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. What do all acids and bases have in common? So this is an activity in which we have taken a beaker. Beaker is filled with dilute HCl solution. A rubber cork is taken with 2 holes and a complete circuit is formed. Glowing of the bulb indicate that there is a flow of electric current through the solution. The electric current is carried through the solution by ions. Ions are charged particles. They can be positively charged, named cation, and negatively charged, named anion. Since the cations present in acids is H positive, this suggests that acids produce hydrogen ion, H positive, which are responsible for their acidic properties. This experiment suggests that hydrogen ions in HCl are produced in the presence of water. The separation of H positive ions from HCl molecule cannot occur in the absence of water. In this activity, we have used guard cells containing calcium chloride. Calcium chloride absorb moisture content. Hydrogen ions cannot exist alone, but they exist after combining with water molecules. Thus, hydrogen ion must always be shown as H positive or hydronium ion H3O positive. We have seen that acids give H3O positive or H positive ions in water. Let us see what happens when a base is dissolved in water. NaOH is a base. When base is dissolved in water, H positive plus hydroxide ions released. KOH, when dissolved in water, K positive plus OH negative ions are released. Bases generate hydroxide ions in water. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. All bases do not dissolve in water. An alkali is a base that dissolves in water. They are soapy to touch, bitter and corrosive. Never taste or touch them as they may cause harm. Now, as we have identified that all acids generate S positive and all bases generate OH negative, we can view the neutralization reaction as follows. In the previous video, we have learnt about the neutralization reaction. A neutralization reaction takes place between acids and base. When acids and base react with each other, they give rise to the formation of salt and water, and acids and base neutralize the effect of each other. So in neutralization reaction, formation of salt and water takes place.